Right, so today I'm going to do a demonstration on how to do a T-section to help you get by while we're taking a wee nap. This is a really good way of camouflaging what I call the cousins. So first and foremost, if your hair is long, put it in a ponytail at the back. Because all we're going to be doing is the hairline and where we tend to part our hair. So that's this area and where we part it. I've intentionally got a U part so you can, it's probably more vivid. Yeah, it is. Right, so these are what I'm going to be sending in the post. These little tiny jars. That's all you need. So you're going to have one of a gloss and two of these little ones in which you mix in. Just scoop the entire content of the small jars into the slightly bigger one. Strange times, eh? And give it a good mix. And the applicator, which I've chosen to do, makes it easier for you guys to spread. Before you start on the hairline, what I tend to do as well is rub a little bit of, say, Vaseline just around the hairline, and that just protects the gloss from coming onto your skin. I then also, if your hair is, let's say, afro hair, mixed race, you've got a lot of creams and what in it, it would have to be washed prior. So wash it and dry it. Dry it at least 80 to 90% dry. If you've washed it a day before, that's fine as well. But even then, I tend to like it to be just a little bit damp, just so it helps the color spread easier and grab. So I'm just using my protein spray as a pre-treatment. And then we can apply. So it's the hairline. And because you've got the Vaseline or whatnot on your skin, you don't have to worry about it coming onto your skin too much. If you can avoid it, it's also good as well. Remember, it's only a gloss. So with a gloss, you're gonna get 90% to 90, probably 95% coverage of the color. And this will help you get by until Hector's Global Hair with Zeal is open again. So that's the hairline. I then go to the parting, where you part it. And what I'll do, just to make sure that you've got the actual parting, so I'm only doing small strokes. Not more than an inch across each side. I've then taken a section here, then you can just in case you want to change the parting a little bit, if the wind blows, just part it a bit. And again. All the colors I'm going to be sending are going to be custom made, because custom blended, because obviously we've got your colors, and don't worry if some of the colors need to be, like two colors all mixed together. I'll do that prior. And the colors in the post won't oxidize right before they get to you anyway, because we do it on first class delivery, so you get it the next day. Plus they're sealed tight. Yeah, and then the other side as well. This client can't keep still. All right, and that's it. Stay still. As you can see, there's loads of color left. So you don't need a lot. But sadly you can't keep this because once it oxidizes, you've got to chuck it. It won't work. So that's it. So you just leave that on for about say 30 minutes or whatnot, and shampoo and condition, and hopefully that'll get you by. Remember, we're all in this together. We're gonna get through this, and hopefully we'll come out the other side stronger, and we'll learn from this coronavirus. I can never pronounce it. Yeah, but anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for supporting Hector's Global Hair with Zeal during this interim. See you soon. Thanks.